Alright, so the thing is, I have a Continental GT as well, which is a chrome version, and I don't know, my fascination towards this chrome has kept on growing. It's grown so much that you guys will eventually see at the end of the video. So right now I've taken off this front mudguard. I believe this is the only part left which is to be chromed out. Initially what I planned is to chrome paint all the parts. But then I checked with many of the renowned painters, or at least whom I know in and around Bangalore. So what they said was, sir, the metal parts we can chrome paint, but the ABS plastic or the side panels, whichever they saw, they said, sir, this can't be chromed out, or the chrome paint won't hold up to the side panels or the plastic. So what I did was I got a chrome wrap, a big roll. So that's what I did over the weekend with the help of my brother, mother, wife, everyone. So they were there to hold the panels. I was wrapping it. If it didn't come out well, I used to take it off. Basically the thing with chrome wrap is, if it's a flat surface, it will easily stick on. But even if there's a slight curve also, it will not stick, or it will stick, but then again there'll be overlays. With many failed attempts, I somehow managed to get a sort of a decent look. In fact, I was so involved in that wrapping thing, I forgot to even record all of those. So this is the only part remaining as of now. Again, there's a lot of curve here. Not sure how it will stick on. I know most of you guys might also tell, why didn't you get it wrapped from another person? I mean, who does it? But I visited JC Road also. The thing there was, most of them denied, in fact all of them denied, saying, sir, this chrome can't be wrapped and all, that too for a surface which is bent. Eventually I found out one guy also who agreed to do, but then he didn't have the material at all. So that's when I thought, heck, I'll only do it. Let's see the eventual turnout, how it comes. I'm kind of satisfied with the results which I've got with the side panel. You guys also see, and let me know if I've done a good job or not. I know there are some marks which can be seen, but I didn't have a heat gun. Maybe if I had a heat gun, the finish would be even better, is what I felt. I'm just keeping all the parts here so that I won't lose anything. Screws for that, screws for this, and again the screws for this as well. At last got the complete piece which I want to wrap. So this is how I've cut. Plan to do it in two parts, from the left and from the right, and then I'll cover it to the middle. So mostly if I do like that, there'll be a lot less wrinkles. If I do it in one sheet, it's not at all possible. That I'm very sure. You need some sort of a support or someone to hold. That's okay. If I'm alone, I'll do it alone. So after so much of planning and all, I was only able to do this much. Okay, halfway stage. This is how it's looking. There's a bit of wrinkles here, but that's okay. This comes towards the end. This is the behind part and this is the front part. The front part kind of looks very nice. What I'll do is, I'll get a lamination done for the complete thing, so that the chrome doesn't come off and it kind of stays intact. So I'll do the same for the shield and the seat as well. Are you guys ready? From here, I'm kind of very satisfied. Up till here, almost there's no wrinkles at all. But at the lower part, I've kind of got some wrinkles. So again, this goes behind, so it doesn't matter much. So yeah, this is it. Once I get all the parts laminated, I'll show you guys the end result. You guys might like it also. Whatever it is, this video should at least get a like for the hard job I've done almost for the past 2 or 3 days. So I'm kind of feeling happy. It's like a do-it-yourself thing. So I'll directly show you guys the end result after the lamination is done. Oh yeah, I'd completely forgotten about this as well. I'm just doing some carbon fiber wrap. If this is grey, or silver, which goes on this, it wouldn't look nice. Got this laminated just today. So this is how it looks. I've done on both sides. So once we remove the lamination, somewhat looks like this. Watch it guys, how is it? Likewise, this you guys would have already seen, and this is the other side. So satisfying.